In this video, I am going to show you the swap character in the Higgifieldai Recast Studio, and you can see that I'll be using an original image, and then I'll be using an image that I want to swap out, and you can see how this guy can be turned into a female just like that. So I'm going to create a video, I'm going to upload a character, and then you'll see the generated video that is swapped into the character. So I've generated the image, and now I am going to do the face swap with the character. So I'm going to swap my face or the body into this character's, and it would show that I am going to be a soccer player on the field. So the generation has been completed, and this is the final outcome for the video. So that is originally was me, and I face swapped me into this person, and then, or this person face swapped me, and then now it's using my body and my image, just face swapped the my face for this character, and now it's in a classroom environment. Here is another example of the character face swap. So I'm going to use this AI generated image from the Bing image generator, and then I'm going to swap it with this soccer player that is on the field. So it will take a couple of seconds or a minute to generate the image, and then I'll be able to generate the video. So here is the final results after doing the character face swap, and I'm going to now generate the video. So I'm going to enter in a prompt that would describe the scene of what I am imagining, and I'm going to add in specific detail that would help with creating the scene of how I want to describe it, and it would be very descriptive in my imagination. So now I have entered a prompt, and the generation is generating the video. Once this has generated, then I'll be able to show you the results because it will take a while for this to generate. So this is the final results with the face swapping and how the character is within the video.